Hello, I recently came back from a beautiful trip to Greece. We enjoyed Greek cuisine and a lot of good things that we had, and I thought to share one of the things that I really enjoyed and tried over there. It's called Bouyiourdy. It's a kind of a dip that you can have before a meal or with some grilled meats, or just dip it with a pita bread, warm pita bread, and it's gonna be delicious. It's simple and it's nice for entertaining friends and neighbors. I have here 1 pound, those are 2 pounds of tomatoes. I'm making 2 dishes because it's so good, and I'm gonna bake one later this evening and one for now to show you. So I have 2 pounds of tomatoes for the double recipe. I have 300 grams of feta cheese, 150 in each of these square 5-inch square baking dishes. I have 3 jalapenos, and that's optional. You can use also mild pepper. I have some oregano, 2 cloves of garlic for both dishes, some parsley to decorate at the end, and some olive oil and sea salt. It's really simple and easy to make. Let's get started. In the beginning, I will take the biggest and most beautiful tomato, and I'll take out 2 slices from the center. That's for decoration. I'll keep them on the side. So I'm cutting 2 slices here. That will set aside just to top the dish. I'm coating it to get rid of those little buttons there, and I'll put it aside. Now, for the rest of the tomatoes, I will take a simple grater like this, and I'll grate them. Discarding the peel. And you do that with all the rest of the tomatoes. If you're making just 1 5-inch square, just do 1 pound of tomatoes, which is 2 large or 3 medium tomatoes normally. I grated the tomatoes, and I actually put them in a strainer, and I strained the liquid out of it. That liquid I might use for other recipe, or if I needed to thin the sauce in these 2 dishes, I will add some of that as well. Now, for now, I have 150 grams in each one of those, just 1 piece block of feta cheese in each, right? Into this, let me discard this extra water here. This is the liquids that came out that I might use or might not use depending on the thickness of the sauce. Here you see my tomatoes, all grated. Into this, I will put the 2 cloves of garlic, which I chopped to smaller pieces for easier. Just finely grated. And again, this is according to your taste. If you like more garlic, you can put more. If you like less, you can put less. This is just right for my family's taste. Into this, I will also add some ground black pepper, a teaspoon of oregano. So again, this is a double of the recipe, so you can adjust. A tiny bit of salt, sea salt to to taste. Mix. And add a tablespoon or two extra virgin olive oil. So it's 2 tablespoons for both the recipes. Now I'm gonna split this in half and top the feta cheese. I'm topping the feta cheese with this garlicky tomato. And now it feels as if it's a lot of tomato, but we do have a lot of feta in there, and I will be baking those, and the tomato will reduce. On top of this, those are sweet peppers that I have sliced. I'm gonna just put some on each. Okay, and the jalapenos, if you wish to have spicier dish, optional of course. And then I will top with a slice of tomato, just like that, and a slice here. Now I will lightly salt the tomato, and I will drizzle again with a little bit olive oil. And I'll put that in a preheated oven until it all reduces down and the feta becomes creamy, and we get some color on top of these beautiful tomato slices on the top. 50 minutes later, this baked deliciousness is ready. And let me be clear, I did not add extra tomato juice. I have pita. Decorate with a little bit of parsley on top. You can drizzle also a little bit of olive oil. I will poke into it and get a scoop out and put it on this pita bread. It's really steamy and hot, but it is absolutely delicious. Intense and awesome. Enjoy.